In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Strava app to Xiaomi Smart Band 9, MyFitness. We'll walk through the exact steps inside the MyFitness app so your workouts recorded on the Smart Band 9 can sync straight to Strava. Before we begin, make sure your phone has Bluetooth and internet turned on and keep your band nearby. Start by opening the MyFitness app on your phone. Confirm that your Smart Band 9 is already paired and connected. You can usually see the device listed at the top or in the devices section with the connected status. If it doesn't show as connected, give it a moment or wake the band and make sure Bluetooth is on so the app can re-establish the link. This quick check prevents authorization errors later. Next, go to the Profile tab in the bottom right corner of Mi Fitness. This is where your account settings, devices, and connected services live. We'll enable the Strava connection from here so the data flow is handled automatically in the background. Inside Profile, look for the option called Third-Party Data. Depending on your app version, it may appear as third-party services or under permissions, but it's the section that manages connections to other fitness platforms. Tap it to open the list of available services. From the list, select Strava. This tells Mi Fitness you want to link your Xiaomi account with Strava, so your activities can be shared securely between the two. Now tap Connect. You'll be taken to Strava's sign-in screen. Log into your Strava account, then review the authorization screen. Strava will ask for permission to read and write activity data so your workouts can be uploaded correctly. Approve the authorization to complete the link. Once it's successful, you'll be returned to Mi Fitness and you should see Strava marked as connected. That's it for the setup. A few quick tips to make the most of it. New workouts recorded after this connection will sync to Strava. Past activities typically won't backfill automatically. Keep Mi Fitness running in the background and your band connected to your phone after workouts to help uploads finish. If you ever change your Strava password or uninstall either app, you may need to reauthorize the connection the same way. Also, if a workout doesn't appear in Strava right away, give it a couple of minutes. Syncing can take a short while depending on your network. You've now connected Strava to your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 using MyFitness, and your future activities should flow seamlessly. Thanks for watching and enjoy your training.